Yeah, yeah, yeah. If we make each other happy, then we just can't lose. I don't want to be a decadent. I will sound like a hedonist, but the simplest way I can put it, you become a habit. The more I consume, the more I gotta have it. And there's such thing as too much. If you give me everything, it never be enough, yeah. My black coffee, sugar, no cream. In the morning, you my super double caffeine dream, yeah.
Your praises, darkness got me so stronger than loving the way that you cut me so wide open, baby doll. Johnson, the feeling under my skin, my nerves screaming when you're not here. So baby, I need, yeah, sugar, you're so delicious.
Tell me something about your love that makes me just wanna open up. Your flavor is the sweetest thing in life. I'm addicted to your chocolate heart. And I want you, and I know that you want me. So let's stay close like you're supposed to be. And I just get high on my own supply. I'm addicted to your chocolate heart.
I've been tripping in so many ways. If I got a single day without the taste of your love, the finest cuisine of today's world, 5 stars of your soul gourmet.
I crave you, I want you. Every cell in my body needs you. That's the like. I see honestly, what you like. Could I if I were you just so sexy?
There is something about your love that makes me just wanna open up.
Flavor is the sweetest thing in life. I'm addicted to your chocolate.